Are you a woman looking to start a keto diet? Well, you're in luck because today we'll be discussing the keto diet essentials for women. For women, the key to success on a keto diet lies in finding the right balance. First and foremost, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet. When it comes to keto diet possibilities for women, it's all about the quality of the fats. Focus on incorporating healthy fats like avocados, olive oil, and nuts into your meals. Protein is also essential for anyone on a keto diet to support muscle growth and repair. Include lean sources of protein like chicken, fish, and tofu in your keto meals. Fiber is crucial for keto diet to support digestive health and prevent constipation. Be sure to include low-carb vegetables like broccoli, spinach, and cauliflower in your meals. In terms of carbs, it's important to limit your intake to maintain ketosis. Choose low-carb options like berries, asparagus, and zucchini to satisfy your cravings. Intermittent fasting can also be beneficial for women on a keto diet by enhancing fat burning. Make sure to give your body enough time for digestion by spacing out your meals. Hydration is essential for women on a keto diet, so drink plenty of water throughout the day. Supplements like electrolytes and magnesium can help with any deficiencies on a keto diet. When it comes to exercise, find activities that you enjoy and that align with your goals. Strength training can be especially beneficial for women on a keto diet to build lean muscle. Don't forget about self-care. Stress management is crucial for overall health and success on a keto diet. Listen to your body and adjust your keto diet plan accordingly. Remember that everyone's body is different, so what works for one person may not work for another. Keep track of your progress and celebrate your wins along the way. If you ever feel overwhelmed or unsure, don't hesitate to seek support from a registered dietitian or nutritionist. With dedication and the right approach, you can achieve your health and weight loss goals on a keto diet. So, are you ready to embark on your keto journey? Let's get started and see the incredible results unfold. Visit the link below this video for a free keto diet cookbook and a 7-day keto diet course.